Hi everyone, welcome back to the quiz. If your Wi-Fi icon has completely disappeared from your taskbar or your wireless network adapter isn't showing up in the settings at all, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 quick easy ways to fix it and get your internet back online. So let's get started. First, we're going to reset your network stack to clear out any temporary glitches caused by your background updates. Go to your taskbar search and let's type cmd. Now right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator, and click Yes if prompted. In the command prompt window, type the following command: netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. Next, let's type this command: netsh space int space IP space reset and press enter. And finally, let's flush your network cache by typing ipconfig space /flushdns and press enter. Once you've run all 3 commands, let's close the command prompt window and restart your PC to apply the changes and see if your Wi-Fi icon returns. If it's still missing, let's move on to the next solution. Sometimes Windows disables your Wi-Fi card after a system update or power saving event. To fix this, let's press the Windows key and the X key on your keyboard and select the Device Manager. In the Device Manager, expand the Network Adapter section and look for your Wi-Fi adapter. It usually has wireless, Wi-Fi, Intel, Realtek, or MediaTek in the name. If you see a small down arrow next to the icon, right-click on it and select Enable Device. If it's already enabled, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Check the box that says Attempt to remove the driver for the device if available, then click on Uninstall. Don't worry, Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh copy when you restart. If your Wi-Fi card is still not responding, we can reset all the network components back to their default factory settings. To do this, let's open Settings by pressing the Windows key and I key on your keyboard. Go to Network and Internet and scroll down and let's click on Advanced Network Settings. From here, click on Network Reset and then click on Reset Now and just confirm by clicking Yes. Your PC will automatically restart in 5 minutes, or you can go ahead and manually restart it right away. And once your computer boots back up, your wireless adapter will be fully restored and you should be able to connect your Wi-Fi network. Let me know what solution worked for you in the comments below, and as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, bye for now.